Bowie, oh, Bowie, oh, oh, oh. Oh, look how cute you are, Bowie. Look how cute you are. Look at that cute face. Look at that cute face. Whoa, 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 whoa. That cute face. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ray here. Welcome back. Now, today's video, we're just gonna jump right into it because little Miss Thing here last night was like all night long, so I'm just really tired and grumpy. All because of you, Bowie. Now, a while back, somebody had sent me what I believe is literally the coolest watercolor palette I have ever seen. And you know, of course, the first thing I did was try to buy it, which, you know, they don't exist. Which means somebody out there made that tin. And if you know who that is, please let me know, because that way I can credit them. So today, guys, I'm going to actually shower, put on pants, go to Hobby Lobby, and try to replicate that watch as much as I possibly can. And once I replicate said bracelet watch thing, I'm going to go out in public and paint. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into it. And the first thing in the news today is, Bowie, you're fat but cute. Okay, so I'm here at Hobby Lobby and I couldn't show me like picking out the watercolor because, yeah, there was like a dude there. But I did get the Winsor & Newton. And they did have like the Hobby Lobby brand, but I feel like this one will just be better quality, you know? Especially if I want to like keep using this, and if it does actually work, I want to have like the best quality that I can. Now to find the little metal tins. Not in the party stuff. Look at all this tin, guys. Look at it all. But there's not one single small tin, so that might be a problem. Oh, you know what? I just got an idea. I bet it's gonna be in this glass area somewhere. What the heck? Oh, wait. We might have a lead. Nope, never mind. Just kidding. Like, I've literally looked everywhere and I can't find any little tins, which is really weird because you think Hobby Lobby would have it. Like, they literally have hair, but they don't have any tins. So I guess I'm just gonna have to like go to Walmart or something and find candy tin or something small that'll work. Hopefully, maybe. Guys, I found a subscriber. Hi. Okay, we recording.
Are you in it?
If you want to be in it. Hi, this is my friend Seven.
Hey.
So right now we're in. Hey, how's it going? I found my other friends here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I found some just by. They're like way in the back, but I found some. These are like the Altoid minis, and I was literally just about to walk away from the candy aisle, but I found them. Also, I got this thing. Can you not? Oh my gosh. Rude. So now that we found the mints, the next step, can you not? Like, I'm the one holding a camera, but yet he's causing more attention. I'm just gonna leave. Oh my god, I'm leaving for real this time. Now in the picture, it kind of looks like he attached the watch to the actual palette itself, and I'm not too sure how he did that. And it looks like an actual wristband because there's like metal and stuff to it, so I'm not too sure what to do and how to do that. Now, I just want to say before this starts is that I am in no way am going to waste the watch. I'm going to keep it and then find a replacement wristwatch for it. So here's the watch, and I feel like I should try it on before I just jump right into it, you know?
Let's just jump into it.
Oh yeah, that's more than gonna. I have such small wrists, look at that, they're so small. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this looks like an absolutely perfect fit, and I feel like I'll have a lot of space to, you know, work with it. Now, as far as like the Altoids go, I feel like I could literally just like pop it on there like this, but I don't want to waste the watch, you know? Like, I still want to be able to use the watch. Oh, these smell so good. I don't think I've ever said this on camera, but my favorite smell in the whole entire world is peppermint. Like anything peppermint, I love. Peppermint food, peppermint toothpaste, peppermint cleaning supplies, peppermint hair, peppermint perfume, like literally anything peppermint. I love. Oh my god, they're so good. Like honestly, like I love peppermint so much. I want to save these all for later. So I don't know why I'm so nervous about this, but the first step is just to cut the watch. Oh, so now that I have the two pieces, I guess the next step is just to literally glue it together. Something like this, like nice and even. I feel like that'd be nice. Oh, it's already coming out. It's already coming out. Uh-oh. Oh god. Okay, so I guess I just glue this here. And by the way, it says on the packaging that it can stick to metal, so I don't think I should have too hard of a problem. Okay, glue this one right here, make it nice and even. And I also reinforced it just a little bit with some stuff in between them so they don't fall. And I added a little bit more glue. So that should do the trick.
Day 2, day 3, day 4.
Now, it's been a few days and this thing has beyond completely dried up. Like this thing is on there. So I don't think I'll have a problem with it, you know, like falling off midway through my painting. Now, for the watercolor, like I said, I have the Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors, which are very high quality. And I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm kind of sad to like destroy this palette right now because it looks so pretty. If I can get it open. Oh wow, this is so nice. Like I said, I have never owned any of like the square watercolors before, but that is so cool. Look at that, they're all individually wrapped. Wow. We also have what is literally the coolest brush I have ever seen in my life. Oh my god. This opens up, doesn't it? Oh, look at this. Oh, this extends. Oh, dude. Check out this brush. Tell me this is not the coolest thing you have literally ever seen in your life. It's like a secret weapon or something. It'd be even neater if I had like a little attachment, like a little metal attachment to attach this to this. So I'd have literally everything I need except for the water. Oh, that'd be so cool. Oh wow, look, okay, so here's all the colors and they're so pretty. And one thing that I was like shooketh while I was opening it is that if you look on the side of these little tiny pans, it has the name of the colors written on there, which is incredibly nice, incredibly helpful, and I really appreciate. Shout out to Winsor & Newton, oh my god. So the first color I know I for sure want will be Cad Yellow, which is such a beautiful color. Put that in there. The next one would be a dark red, which in this case is alizarin crimson. Of course I'm gonna need a blue, and this color is ultramarine blue, which is one of my other, I like all these colors, so I'm gonna say like every single one, that's my favorite color. We'll go ahead and put in this super dark color, this is burnt umber. Put in sap green, because sap green is one of my favorite colors. And if we could just try to get one last color in here, that would be great. And I think I'm gonna pick, we have the primaries. This bright red right here, this Cad red. Almost the exact same colors as my nails, which that's really neat. That's kind of strange. Oh, it fits perfect. Look at that. Oh, bam, that's what's up. So this is actually perfect. I mean, in the original picture, it looks like he had cut up a bunch of watercolor pieces, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this. I think this works really, really cute. And plus, like if I don't want a color, just take it out. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. And let's see how it fits on my wrist. Okay, shake it all up just to make sure it's sturdy. And moment of truth. Oh! This is nice. This looks so good. Where's that little brush at? Oh, this is the coolest thing I have literally ever done. Oh, look at that. Boom, boom. Mix it up. Boom, boom. Oh, that is so cool. So I guess at this point, I'm ready to go ahead and start testing it out. I guess that means I have to go out in the real world, put on pants, makeup. Ugh. Yeah, you guys probably thought I would be filming somewhere more like typical and like a, you know, traditionally like a Starbucks or something, but I felt like Taco Bell was more on brand for me, you know what I'm saying? There's also like hella loud copyrighted music, so I'm probably gonna have to like switch over to voiceover in like 0.2 seconds. Alright, let's get some swatches down. I literally just asked Taco Bell for a water cup. Honestly guys, like I didn't care. I had like my huge DSLR out, I had the microphone out, like I did not care. And I don't think they cared either, to be honest. In fact, I think they found it quite interesting. Speaking of interesting, one thing that I was kind of like shocked by is that you'll notice that every single swatch, even like the blue, has more of like a warm yellow undertone to it. So those are my swatches, and time for a burrito break. Okay, so it's actually the next day because I got too awkward, and it was around lunchtime and there was just too many people there and it just got way too awkward. So anyway, it's the next day and I decided to, you're at Taco Bell, like how can you not draw the iconic sauce packet? And because everything was so warm tone, like it just worked out so perfectly to like color match with the sauce packet, you know? It just, I felt like it was meant to be. And you know, this time around, like yesterday there was too many people, but this time there was hardly anybody, so I got to get in it. Now, this next part is filmed at the dog park because Zach had to go to work and nobody was there to watch Bowie. And as you guys know, she has mad anxiety. But we still love her anyway, you know, she's a good girl. Now, pretty much between the time that I left Taco Bell and to the time that I went to the dog park, it mostly dried down. And so I went ahead and just started on finishing the details. You know, I got my highlighter brush thing that, you know, I carry with me, I bring my pencil, and just started like color mixing in shadows and adding in just a little extra details. Oh geez, okay, I'm editing this now and basically like, oh my god, I realized that my hand is in the way, it's out of focus, and Ray for Cameraman of the Year! But basically, I bring my fine liner pens for, you know, some extra details just to make it all jazzy and make it all nice looking. And even though you can't really see what I'm doing, I think it was really important to add all those extra details. And I'm gonna end this by adding in just some fine little extra details, some little pop of color, little pop of white highlight just to make it, you know, give it that little extra element to it. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, here's the final drawing. I'm so happy with how it came out. And it was nice to not be antisocial for once in my life and actually go out. And I had a lot of fun with this video and it was fun to make. So anyway guys, thank you so much again for watching and I will see you next video. Bye!